Welcome to the Helix at-home DNA test kit review. Usage experience. Links to the product and additional resources are provided in the description below. Helix stands out as a comprehensive DNA testing platform that goes beyond basic ancestry or health reports. It operates as a gateway to various DNA-powered insights through its marketplace, offering an extensive range of tests designed for personalized health, wellness, ancestry, and even entertainment. This flexibility makes Helix an excellent choice for individuals looking for a multifaceted approach to DNA testing. The Helix process begins with a straightforward saliva collection kit. Once your sample is submitted and analyzed, Helix sequences your exome, the protein coding region of your genome, which provides much deeper insights compared to standard genotyping tests. This advanced sequencing technology enables Helix to retain your genetic data, allowing you to access various partner apps on their platform for targeted results without needing additional samples. One of Helix's standout features is its versatility. Users can choose from numerous partner tests available in the Helix marketplace, such as those focusing on fitness optimization, nutrition, sleep quality, hereditary health risks, or ancestry. Popular apps include Mayo Clinic Gene Guide for health insights and DNA Fit for personalized fitness plans. This modular approach ensures that users only pay for the specific insights they are interested in, making it a cost-effective and personalized solution. Helix is particularly suited for individuals who value flexibility and wish to explore multiple aspects of their genetic profile over time. It's also ideal for those who appreciate high data accuracy, thanks to its focus on exome sequencing. However, it's worth noting that the platform's benefits are maximized if you're willing to invest in additional reports through the marketplace. In summary, Helix is a forward-thinking DNA testing service that offers unmatched flexibility and depth. Whether you're curious about health, fitness, or ancestry, Helix provides a dynamic platform to explore your genetic potential. Check the links in the description to learn more and start your Helix journey today.